cruising down the road, Oklahoma. Little southeastern Oklahoma time, and oh, holy shit, that wire is low. Oh, oh my God! What the? Oh my God! I just lost my roof off of my truck. I just lost the roof off of my truck. Oh shit. I gotta get pulled over.